Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to create Samsung account on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on sign into your Galaxy. From here, just select forgot password or don't have an account, then select create account. From here, just select I'm over 13 and select I have read and agreed to all the above. Then tap on agree. From here, just enter your email address. After you enter your email address, now in the password section, just create a password. And the password must consist of at least 8 characters and it should include a letter, a number, and a symbol. Now, once you create your password, then tap on date of birth. From here, just enter your date of birth, then tap on done. Now, in the first name section, just enter your first name, and in the last name section, just enter your last name. Now, once you enter your first name and your last name, then tap on create account. Now, in this section, just enter your phone number, then tap on send. Now, you will receive a verification code within 2 minutes on the number which you have entered. Now, once you receive the verification code, just enter the verification code right here, then tap on verify. From here, just select get started. Now from here, just select later. From here, just tap on continue. And as you can see, we have successfully created a Samsung account on our smartphone. And this is how you can create a Samsung account on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.